Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This week is going to be another functional plan with me in my half letter disc bound size. I'm using the cloth and paper week on 2 pages for this week, and then I have some like shape stickers from cloth and paper, and then I also have this sheet of transparent stickers from Samantha May Sticks. This was gifted to me by Martha of Plan.with.Martha on Instagram. And so yeah, let's get into the functional plan with me. Okay, so this is for the week of July 5th to July 11th. So I'm gonna start off with my workout schedule. Let's do that. Similar to what we did last week, start off with my workout schedule. I am super proud of myself. It's been like, oh, this is interesting. Oh, these are like transparent. Oh, interesting. I did not know that that was the case. Oh, these are cool. Yeah. I obviously have not opened these before, but oh, these are like plastic transparent stickers. Okay. So anyway, let me just get, okay, so in addition to my stickers, I have this Tombow 491, and I'm just going to use that to mark what week we're in. I feel like this matches with the transparent dot stickers pretty well, or I guess they're called drop stickers. Okay, so I'll use these to mark my workouts. I am doing my very best to work out 5 times a week. 2 days are for yoga and then 3 days of cardio. And then if I can, what I'm trying to do is add 1 day of weight training every week. So we'll see how that goes. I attempted to do that last week if you watched my my functional plan with me for last week, but I actually ended up not going to the gym 6 times last week. I only went 5. So yeah, that was a total fail on my part, but you know, that's life. So yeah, but I'm gonna attempt this week. You know, I can't be perfect all the time. Just kidding. But either way, I'm super proud of myself for actually like keeping up with this for, it's been more than a month now. It's been like 5 weeks. So I think that's pretty impressive. So Monday, tone, Tuesday, and I really like having 2 days of yoga or flow just to stretch myself out, make sure all that is good. And then, you know, working on my flexibility is definitely something that I want to be doing. And then this week, I guess it is kind of weird because I only have 1 day of yoga, and that's because I actually switched Sunday's usually cardio, and then Monday's usually yoga, but I switched that like this past weekend. So, you know. Anyway, okay. Okay. So that's my workout for the week. I do want to mark yesterday. So today is the 6th that I'm filming this, but yesterday was my friend Jess's birthday. So I'm going to take one of these to mark that. Happy birthday, Jess. Maybe Doug is watching this video, so hey, Doug. Okay, so that's that. Then I'll put in my work schedule. I had the day off. You know what? I'm just gonna pull these out because this is like really annoying to write on like the cover there. Okay, am I in frame? Good. Okay, so I had the day off, and then yeah, work. Today I have 5 meetings, which, you know, never fun to come back from a long weekend to a lot of meetings. but that is my life right now. Okay. It's been really nice. I haven't had really any meetings on Fridays. I guess people are trying to be like cognizant of, summer hours and things like that. So awesome. Um, because, okay, so what else? Friday, I don't have a workout, but I do have, or not me, but Archie has a vet appointment. So gonna mark that with just another one of these bow drops. Archie vet. And that's at 12:30 p.m. Great. So, okay, those are my main events. Let's see, do we have anything planned for the weekend? I don't believe so, but I don't believe so. Yeah, nothing planned for the weekend. One thing I do want to make sure that we do this weekend is finish unpacking the cabinets. So we are remodeling our kitchen. When we bought the house, or it doesn't matter, we are remodeling the kitchen because the kitchen cabinets are original to the house and they're just like gross and old, and we just are doing that. So we have the new cabinets in, and I believe work is supposed to be starting next week. We'll see. These things get delayed for all sorts of reasons. So, but anyway, this weekend I definitely want to make sure that we unpack all cabinets, or maybe unpack is not the right word, but like open all the cabinets and inspect them. Put and inspect to make sure they're all good. I looked at like a quarter of them over this past weekend, but if work is starting next week, then I definitely have to do the rest of them. And then no other plans for the weekend. Again, we're going to just have like a nice chill weekend. At least that's what the current plan is, just so, I can get some time to myself or to ourselves and just recharge and relax. So, okay. So that's the weekend. That's my workout schedule. Those are like the big events for the week. I am just gonna, since it is Tuesday, I'm gonna memory plan for yesterday. What did we do? I did a workout. I came back. What did I even do yesterday? Jeez, I do not remember. I know we relaxed on the couch at night. We did a long family walk. Okay, I really don't know what we did. So anyway, I'll just fill that in later. Let's see. Today is actually Chipotle is doing a Friends BOGO today, meaning that you can buy one to get one free of anything at Chipotle. So we're definitely gonna take advantage of that. Let's see. Won't we use one of these? Well, okay. We're gonna go get some Chipotle tonight. Really, really excited about that. It's been a while since we've gone to Chipotle, actually. So, and I've been good with my workouts, so I think I deserve this. Okay, so that's that, and then no other plans really for the rest of the week. Okay, so we still have the landscaping ongoing, so I'm gonna mark that as a priority. Maybe I'll use one of the like medium-sized drops to mark this. Man, that project is just taking longer than we anticipated, and it's not even that they have been like doing anything. For like, they came 2 weeks ago and worked every day for 3 days. And then now we're kind of at a standstill because we're just waiting for the pavers to come in, which is super annoying. I guess like the paving companies are super like backlogged and just all the supply is like not in stock, which is annoying. I'm more annoyed that like my landscaper, like he knew that supply was backlogged and he should have honestly like ordered the pavers a long time ago. But, you know, whatever. Okay. And then so I'm also going to put in underneath here priorities. This is basically like my priorities from last week. And then once we know when the landscapers are coming back with respect to like the paver availability, then I need to schedule the turf delivery. Okay, so that's basically it. And then also, you know what? I do also have to check in with our kitchen contractors to see when they're coming. Kitchen contractors. Okay, lots of fun stuff. Maybe next week I will just write that I am, or that I have to. Maybe we'll do one of, no, I'll do this one. I like this one. Next week, I'm going to order sink, faucet, and tiles for our kitchen. Really exciting. I'm so excited about having the kitchen all done. I don't know how long it's going to take, at least at this point, but that is going to be super exciting. So, okay. So I think that is basically what I have for the week. When I do my functional planning, I probably should do this, but I don't functionally plan my cleaning schedule. I don't know. I'll think about it, but I know some people do include that in their functional planning, but I don't, at least not at this time. I don't have like a set schedule that I do my cleaning, but maybe if I did, my house would be a lot cleaner. Okay, so there is these pages back in my planner, and this is my functional plan with me for the week. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing, and please leave me a comment down below to let me know what you are looking forward to the most this week. So yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.